Hey guys! In this video, we're going to look at the top 5 air fryers available on the market today. We made this list based on our own opinion, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best air fryers. The 5th product on our list is the Chefman 6.3 quart digital air fryer. The Chefman 6.3 quart digital air fryer is a versatile product that will be a perfect addition to every kitchen. It is not just an air fryer, but also a rotisserie oven and dehydrator. So with only one appliance, you can already make fries, roast chicken, or dehydrate some of your favorite fruits or vegetables. The Chefman air fryer comes with an elegant design, with a polished gloss black plastic that gives it an attractive look that is easy on the eyes. Its door has a large window built into it, so you can easily check on your food illuminated by the interior light. The air fryer's front has a large LCD control panel with pale blue food icons and temperature panels. You can find the 8 pre-programmed settings here: fries, meat, fish, shrimp, chicken, rotisserie, bake, and dehydrate. The appliance is packed with several accessories that will help you maximize the use of this product. Of course, there is the air fryer basket, but if you do not feel like making fries or anything that requires it, you can replace it with 2 airflow racks to bake, dehydrate, or just reheat. Another option is to use the rotisserie spit if you want to do some roasting. For the maintenance, the air fryer has a removable drip tray that helps in cleaning grease and grime easier. Its pros are: this Chefman air fryer comes with 8 cooking presets. It is designed with a large 2-tier cooking capacity. It has an LCD touchscreen control panel, and it comes with a removable drip tray and several cooking accessories. However, the cons are: there may be some potential issues with the door. The instructions included are unclear, and it is expensive. The Chefman 6.3 quart digital air fryer is a versatile kitchen appliance that can also serve as an oven and dehydrator. It can help you do a lot of things, such as save kitchen space. So if your budget allows, you should definitely consider it. Up next in the 4th place is the GoWise USA GW22956. Measuring 11.75 by 11.75 by 14 inches, the GoWise USA GW22956 air fryer is a perfect kitchen appliance, especially if you have a limited countertop space. However, despite its size, this product has a large cooking capacity thanks to its 7-quart bucket that can prepare food for many people. This kitchen appliance is also more than just an air fryer too. It comes with 8 different cooking functions that will help you save time and space in your kitchen. This product allows you to air fry, roast, broil, dehydrate, grill, bake, reheat, or just keep warm using just one appliance. You can easily press the function you want to choose from the touchscreen menu on the large control panel in the front of the machine. The product has an extended cooking timer up to 60 minutes and a wide temperature range from 180 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. The appliance even allows you to set the temperature in increments of 5. The GW22956 also comes with 3 stackable racks if you want to use the product as a dehydrator. The dehydrator function has a temperature of 90 to 170 degrees Fahrenheit and a timer from 2 to 24 hours. With 3 racks, you can easily dehydrate various foods in just a single cycle. You can make almost anything using this GoWise air fryer. The manufacturer even included a recipe book with 100 recipes to help you decide what dish to try. Its pros are: the GoWise USA GW22956 air fryer produces crispy doneness every time. Its timer and temperature functions are accurate, and it comes with long maximum cooking times that allow you to cook more recipes with it. However, the cons are: the product's interface may come off as cramped, and its overheating can mar countertops. If you are looking for a kitchen appliance that can help you with a lot of dishes, then the GoWise USA GW22956 air fryer is a perfect choice for you. It comes with 8 cooking presets and a wide temperature range that can allow you to cook different foods. Still haven't found the air fryer that meets your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. The third product on our list is the Omork Haber Air Fryer. The Omork Haber Air Fryer is the newly upgraded series of the brand. It is now equipped with a more accurate temperature controller, provides even heating, and delivers crispier and tastier food. Moreover, this 6-quart air fryer can make crunchy and delicious fried dishes while using 85% less oil than traditional frying methods. It is definitely one of the best innovations in the realm of quick and healthy cooking. This kitchen appliance measures 16.5 by 13.5 by 15 inches and comes with a square design. It is big enough to fit a 5 to 6 pound whole chicken and serve 2 to 8 people. But even though it is bigger than the other air fryers we have mentioned, it is still easy to handle and can fit in a small kitchen. The air fryer is multifunctional. You can choose whether you want to fry, cook, roast, or grill your food with it. The choices can be seen on the digital touchscreen along with an easy access timer button that goes up to 60 minutes. Also, the touchscreen and knob have combined their functions for an easier operation to reduce the press button's constant repetition. Finally, the special shape at the bottom allows your food to be cooked evenly. For maintenance, the air fryer's removable basket uses a non-stick coating that is easy to clean. The appliance also comes with an auto shut-off protection, so you will never worry about overheating anymore. Its pros are: the Omork air fryer is equipped with an auto shut-off function. It also combines the touch control and knob. The air fryer basket and pot are suitable for dishwashers, and it reduces 85% oil for healthy cooking. However, the cons are: the provided instructions are unclear, and it may be too big for small families. The Omork Haber air fryer is an ideal kitchen appliance for enjoying fried dishes while staying healthy. It is also perfect for those in big households and who constantly organize small get-togethers. The second product on our list is the Philips HD 9630-98 Advanced XXL. Air fryers are generally big kitchen appliances and tend to occupy a lot of counter space. However, Philips HD 9630-98 Advanced XXL is a huge analog air fryer with a size of 17.32 by 13.38 by 16 inches. It provides a 3-pound or 4-quart holding capacity to be exact, enough to cook up to 2 fries bags or a whole chicken. Clearly, this Philips air fryer was designed with families in mind. This air fryer features a twin turbo star technology that allows you to cook delicious fried food with 90% less fat. It generates a rapid airflow and puts all the food contents to constant circulating heat, so it will not need a lot of oil when cooking. There is no turning required, even when all the food is piled up inside the air fryer. The appliance can guarantee that it will be evenly cooked. Together with the twin turbo star technology is the 1725 watt motor and heater. Their combination extracts and captures excess fats from the food that is cooking inside, ensuring you a delicious and healthy dish. The extracted fat goes to the fat reducer that is located at the bottom of the appliance. You can simply get rid of it once you are done cooking. Using this air fryer is quick and easy. It has a 60-minute timer and a temperature dial that ranges from 175 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, giving you full control of the whole cooking process. It also comes with removable parts that ensure hassle-free cleanup. Its pros are: this Philips air fryer is easy to clean. It is built with solid construction. It has great capacity, ideal for huge families, and it comes with a 1-year warranty. However, the cons are: setting the temperature can be challenging because the small dimple on the dial can be hard to see, and it is expensive. If you are looking for an analog air fryer, the Philips HD 9630-98 Advanced XXL is an excellent option. It has a large capacity and delivers excellent results. You should consider it if you are not on a tight budget. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, our top air fryer is the Ninja Foodie 9-in-1 air fryer. The Ninja Foodi 9-in-1 air fryer offers 8 different settings aside from air frying. It also allows baking, roasting, sautéing, grilling, slow cooking, and pressure cooking. With a lot of bases to cover, it is no wonder it needs a large pot with a capacity of 6 liters, a 3.2-liter removable frying basket, and a grilling rack and 2 lids. It also has a 60-minute timer and the highest temperature of any air frying, which is 210 degrees Fahrenheit. This kitchen appliance comes with an industrial design with its black and gray finish. It measures 14.3 by 16.8 by 13.1 inches, so expect it to take up a lot of space in your countertop. It offers 8 quarts of capacity, making it perfect for large families. Make sure you do not place it under a kitchen cupboard too. It can block the lid from opening as it only opens to the side on a hinge. The 8 cooking settings can be found on the panel by the front below the digital display. Beside this display are the time and temperature controls. It uses tender crisp technology that allows the appliance to cook ingredients quickly, while using the crisping lid gives the dish a crispy and golden finish. The 8-quart ceramic-coated pot that comes with it is non-stick and PTFE PFOA free. It is also easy to clean. Meanwhile, the 5-quart ceramic-coated cook and crisp basket can hold up to a 7-pound chicken. That is enough to serve your whole family. Its pros are, the Ninja Foodi air fryer is a highly versatile kitchen appliance. It has a large capacity, and it comes with a range of settings. However, the cons are, this air fryer may be complicated to use. It is bulky, and it is expensive. Nonetheless, if these concerns are not relevant, then you should give the Ninja Foodi 9-in-1 air fryer a try. It is multifunctional, so you will not be needing to buy separate kitchen appliances for other purposes, especially since each function of this air fryer performs well on their own. There you have it, top 5 air fryers on the market today. If you found an air fryer on our list that meets your needs and budget, click the links in the description box and catch it at its best price. We are also always looking forward to seeing your suggestions and comments. So if there is a product you have in mind that would love us to review, comment below in the comment section and our research team will be happy to review it for you. Thank you all for watching, and see you next time here at the Techs You Can't Live Without channel, your home of fair and square product reviews.